everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have some job openings to be discussed from two different companies, that is CGI and Amdocs. So they are hiring for the freshers, I mean 0 years of experience to the core jobs itself. So let's discuss what are the eligibility criteria and the batch criteria, registration process, everything in detailed format. And watch this video till the very end to know all things about it, and also share this video among your friends who is an active job seeker. So before getting into this company details, I have something very interesting to present or to share with you, which is very important. An initiative by an academy for your career guidance. Okay, so when you just go through whole of this process, you will get a clear idea like how the software development or the IT sector to work, and you will get to be a part of that quickly. That is, unemployment will not be a great issue after your graduation right now. Okay, so this is a thing. So career development is one of the thing that they are offering. So you can just see that whole of this package is available to you as 999, but you don't have to pay that as well. You will be having the reduction for that or online study for you family. That is, you can just use the code pratikkumar.125. That code will be mentioned in the description along with the link as well. So using that code, you can get up to 10% discount. So you don't have to pay this exact amount. You will be getting the reductions as well. Okay, so this is it. So shows will be there every day. It is yearly subscription. So whole year they will be there to guide you. So this is about it, like hiring updates in startups and major tech companies, eligibility criteria, how to apply for them, then how to approach coach chef, then pre-placement talks where HRs from top companies come and talk about the hiring process. So this is the main highlighting point, okay, that you should keep in mind. So all the panelists from your who is ever about to take your interview will be there in that platform, sharing the information or sharing the important updates on the placements. Okay, so from there, from the right person itself, you're getting to know about things. So these kind of opportunities, you have to grab it at the earliest. Okay, because these opportunities never comes to us. Okay, as I always used to say that opportunities never knocks the door twice. These kind of opportunities as well never comes up. Now 20 questions which are asked in interviews, then how to solve them, accelerating your development by using real life projects, then life journey, fellow coders working in fan companies, that is great Indian companies. Now, this is one of the important update, and the in that into this subscription package, they're also offering one of the greatest thing, that is college projects. Okay, that is what is happening in this is all your college projects will be reviewed by the great personalities. I mean, and you will be getting assurance from them as well. What is the scope of this project and how this project will be getting ticked in all the criteria like that. Okay, so your projects will be reviewed by them. So if you have any doubts regarding will this project gives me a great kickstart my career, or will this help me to get into prestigious companies, into this position, all the things can be clarified at this platform. How cool is that, right? All these kind of information is only known to the special people in the IT sector. If they are guiding throughout, then that will be a great point. Okay, that's it. So every night show will be there from 10 p.m. So Raja Vikramathan is the host of the show. He will be giving the information regarding the same. Okay, so this is about the college project. So this is the total plan for the week, like how they are performing everything. So you can see that every Sunday, technical extracurriculars by Ujjwal Sen, like 3 p.m. Then HR talks at 8 p.m. Weekend projects by 9 p.m. Reach for the starters 10 p.m. Then Wednesday will be beating the odds by Shkoyal. Next, every Thursday, 10 o'clock, placement tips and hacks. Then every Friday, talking tech by Saumya, 9 p.m. Then project reviews. Then every Saturday, they are present by Sai, then the tech curricular activities, approaching the coach chef, top interview questions, reach for the starter. So you can just see that whole week. Okay, that is expect 2 days, whole week is packed full of information that you really required. Okay, so when you just go through all these kind of information throughout an year, you will get a perfect idea how you have to be yourself in to get a job in IT sector. So I would highly recommend guys grab this opportunity at the earliest. Okay, so this is about it. All the link to apply and all the coupon code to get your discount, everything will be there in the description. You can get it from there. So that's about it. Make your registrations at the earliest, and without delay make use of these many opportunities that they are putting forward. Now Now let's come back to the opening that is available. That is, first one is from CGI. They're hiring for the junior developer and the location is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. It's a full-time job that they are offering. So without further ado, let's move on to the eligibility criteria. So they have mentioned like the position description here. That is, you must go through that position description before you apply. That is very important. You must know the job role or what all the things that you'll be performing while you get into this. Okay, then now you can just go to the eligibility criteria and read out that. So the qualification criteria is BSc, BCA, and BE BTech. Okay, so this is applicable for these qualification criteria alone. And skills will be communications, intelligence, and SAPFUCO. So now you can just, they have mentioned only minimal skills. So to get an idea about like what will be your job, you can just go through this job description as I've mentioned earlier. So life cycle, like engineering and problem solving, everything related to computer science kind of things. Okay, analytical, cloud technologies, this is. So basically, it's like common to all the developer position. Okay. So to apply for that, you can just go with this apply link, like I am interested button, and you can just, continue with the application process. Yes, it will be redirected. You have to make your login first. If you're not logged in yet, you have to make your login. Then after making a login, you can get into their application form. So this is registration form. I have logged in. So then you have to give your resume. Then please specify which type it is, resume, like CV, whatever it is, specify them and click on this attached document. Thereafter save and continue. Okay. So when you save and continue, then you'll be getting a form. You have to fill your personal details, your education details, your skill set and everything, accepting the terms and conditions of the company as every registration step or every registration page in every companies have. Okay. So this is about the CGI. So you can just go with the link that I've mentioned in the description to avail this opportunity and fill all the details provided and then save and continue. Okay. So now coming to the package details. So here coming to the basic package, it is 3.5 plus LPAs. Greater than that, you will be getting anyways. So this is for the 0 years of experience student. And also the batch criteria will be like I have already mentioned, like 2020, 21st is the current streaming batches. In IT sector, it is very easy to get outdated. Like 2019, when 2021st is passed out, then 2019 has gradually have been, went back. Only few openings available for them and major of them for 20 and 21st. So IT sector is something, corporate world in general, it's something like they won't be availing you with so much of opportunities. Like, if it is it's still 2022, you will be still having the 2018-19 recruitment. This opportunity will not be there. So 2019 is a kind of outdated batches, so it is applicable. I mean, you can make your assurance for 20 and 21st, but 19 people you can try registering. There is no harm in that. You can apply and try whether they will follow back or not, because every individual will be different. Some individuals will be having so much criteria or the skill set that is very much aligned to this job opening. Some of them may not be having. So it do depends, it do varies from people. So we cannot generalize like this batch will be applicable. For 19, you can try and apply. The first preference will be 2021st batch criteria. Okay. So this is about CGI. Not about CGI alone. This is applicable for most of the job openings where they have not mentioned about 19 criteria, 18 criteria, 17 criteria. Okay. So this is it. So you can try applying. So now let's move on to the other job which is available at Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for the software engineer, that is Teradata. So now coming to the details regarding that, Yes, what will your job look like? That is a job description. You can go through that and know about what you'll be performing. And all you need is a bachelor's degree in science, IT, computer science, or equivalent. Okay. And key responsibilities you can go through. That is the kind of job responsibility that you'll be handling. And you will know like what all things you'll do. If this is a field of interest, you can definitely apply for that. And technical skill, mandatory will be hands-on in Unix and advanced Unix shell scripting, hands-on SQL, PLSQL, ability to write complex SQL and performance tool there. Hands-on in Teradata and all Teradata utilities, hands-on in Vertica, hands-on in Informatica, Power Center, hands-on file transfer mechanism, open to work in Shift. Will be good to have like willingness to learn all data warehousing technologies. Then hands-on work experience is a plus. a knowledge of schedule. So if you know all these kind of technical skills, then it will be perfectly fine. And if you have work experience, like few months of experience, some project kind of experience, some intern kind of experience, or 1 year of experience, whatever relating to that, it will be also accepted here. Okay, so this is about it. And to apply for this job, you can just go with the link that they have mentioned, like apply now here on the top criteria. Yes, here. So you can just click on this apply now button, and they will be directing to the application process. So I'm signing in. If you have not an account, you can just create an account here. Okay. So this is about it. And yes. So here you can just give your resume. If you have already registered to some of the Amdocs, then your resume will be there. You can just edit it, like upload once again. That will be better when you go for that. Okay. And that's it. And then you will be having some fair like profile information, skill set, and language skills and job specification. So you have to take all the modules and give your information regarding the same. And after that, apply for the same. Okay. So this is about Amdocs as well. And coming to the package details, this is applicable for variety of experience criteria. Like they have mentioned, like if you have experience, then it will be plus. In the sense, it is applicable for non-experience and experience criteria. So you can expect up to 4+ LPAs. It do varies according to the knowledge that you are having. Okay, so that's it about Amdocs. So you can try this as well. So as I've mentioned, links will be there in the description. You can just take it from there and apply it at the earliest. So don't miss this opportunity. We don't know that when the link will be getting expired or they will be withdrawing the link. So before that, make your application soon after you watch this video. Okay, so this is about it. So if you have any further doubts regarding the same that I have not mentioned in the video, you can make it up in the comment section. We'll be definitely looking forward for that, as well as, and also we'll be replying to you the earliest. Okay, so this is about it. Now, until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities available, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.